Hi viewers, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. In today's video, I present to you some beautiful crochet phone cover designs model. Let's start the video. A crochet phone cover design is a handmade, decorative and protective sleeve or case for a smartphone crafted using crochet techniques. These covers can vary in style, texture and pattern depending on the type of yarn and species used. Types of crochet phone cover designs. Simple single crochet cover used basic spaces for a minimalist look. Textured or patterned covers features bubble, shell or cable spaces for a decorative touch. Floral or lace covers, delicate and feminine, incorporating lace spaces or flower afflex. Animal or character themed covers, shaped like animals or cartoon characters with 3D features. Boho or granny square covers, colorful and vintage inspired, often using multiple motifs. Pouch with buttons or drawstring offers easy access while keeping the phone secure. Wallet or crossbody style includes pockets or cards and the strap of hands-free carrying. Here are some useful tips for crocheting a phone cover to ensure it turns out stylish, durable, and functional. First, choose the right yarn. Use cotton yarn for a sturdy, non-stressy cover. Acrylic or wool yarn can provide warmth and a soft texture. Consider elastic or blended yarn for a snug fit. Pick a suitable crochet hook. A smaller hook creates a tighter stitch for better protection. A larger hook gives a looser, more flexible cover. Check your yarn label for recommended hook sizes. Measure your phone accurately. Crochet a gauze swatch to ensure proper sizing. Add a little extra space for a snug fit, but avoid making it too loose. Use sturdy stitches for durability. Single crochet or half double crochet create a supreme protective fabric. Slip stitch. Add reinforcements at the edge. Consider brick love only stitches for extra texture. Add a secure closer. Use button, snaps or a drawstring for a pouch style cover. A flap with a button lock keeps the phone from slipping out. Consider a zipper for extra protection. Customize the design. Use color changes or stripes for a unique look. Add embellishments like crochet flowers, beads, or afflex. Try granny squares or tapestry crochet for intricate patterns. Reinforce for extra protection. Line the inside with felt fabric to prevent stressing. Double layer your crochet fabric for shock absorption. Choose a practical design. Slip-on covers are simple and easy to use. Flip covers with a flap offer extra screen protection. Crossbody or wristlet styles are great for carrying on the go. Work in the round for a seamless look. Crocheting in the round, like a tube, avoids seams and gives a smooth finish. If working flat, use a slip stitch seams to make it neat. Is a tight tension to avoid stressing. Loose stitches may cause the cover to stress over time. Maintain the tension to keep the shape intact. Make it water resistant. Use cotton yarn as it absorbs less moisture. Consider lining the inside with a waterproof fabric like polyester. Try different closures. Elastic loop with a button for an easy, secure fit. Velcro stripes for unique access. Zippers for full protection. Experiment with special stitches for texture. Bubble stitch for a raised, cushioned effect. Shell stitch for a delicate feminine look. Front post or back post stitches for ribbing and grip. Use a foundation chain that fits perfectly. Measure your phone wide and make a snug foundation chain. Stretch it slightly while measuring to ensure a tight fit. Reinforce the bottom for durability. If working in the round, start with the tight slip stitch foundation for strength. For flat work, add extra rows at the base to prevent wear and tear. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel. Happy crocheting!